Hey everyone, this right here is my old Game Boy Color. This is the blue version, and as you can probably tell, it's been played a lot. The buttons are worn out, the shell has some age to it, and this is just kind of what happens when something's been with you for years. The Game Boy Color originally came out in 1998. It was a huge step forward from the original Game Boy. It could display thousands of colors, supported both by the new color games and the old Game Boy cartridges, and it helped bring classics like Pokemon Gold and Silver. Of course, like all the Game Boy Colors, the screen isn't backlit, so if you wanted to play at night, you needed one of those cool clip-on light attachments that projected light onto the screen. It wasn't perfect, but at the time, it was just part of the experience. For a lot of us, the Game Boy Color wasn't just a console, it was our first real taste of portable gaming, and even today it still holds up as one of Nintendo's most iconic handhelds. For just $69.90, you can get this FPGBC kit from FunnyPlaying.com. So I ended up purchasing the pink crystal buttons, and then I got a blue crystal shell for the Game Boy that I'm going to be putting together. You guys can obviously customize it all to your liking. Just go on the website, pick the parts that you want, and then just order it. Right here is a small comparison of the old stickers compared to the new stickers, and then on top of that there's a little Mario with a help desk number on it. On top of that, I ended up having these green silicone buttons ordered, which I thought would be a pretty cool backing to the pink crystal. In the rest of the kit, you're going to have a speaker, the LCD screen, the battery, and then the motherboard. You're also going to find a manual if you guys are one of those people that like to read everything about the manual. Alright, you guys know what time it is. Sit back, enjoy, and watch me put this thing together. All right, so once I got here, I was pretty shocked and I was proud of myself. So it took roughly maybe like 2 hours or like an hour and a half to assemble. You could probably do it in like 20 minutes depending on how quick or experienced you are. I had a little bit of trouble every now and then, but just look at these colors. It sounded amazing. The colors were vibrant, they were sharp. I was so excited to play my Game Boy in 2025 again. Of course, I'm posting this video in 2026. I had made this right before the holidays, but man, was I excited. This is an amazing gift or just an awesome project if you are looking for something new. It's something that's definitely going to catch people's eyes if you're out in public playing. I'd highly recommend that you get this. And it's pretty affordable. I mean, considering that the retro Game Boy itself is $90 and this is running at $69.90 USD, dude, totally worth it. And look at these new stickers. They're all shiny and crisp and hollow. I am obsessed. All right, it's time to do a comparison. So here, side by side, you can already tell that the screen on the right side is a little bit bigger. Obviously, we don't have that Game Boy Color logo like we would on the old one, but you know, it's totally worth it. I picked out this transparent blue crystal shell because obviously I have like a blue crystal theme going on. And then the pink buttons stand out. The stickers on the back look clean. The buttons look clean. It just, dude, this is worth it. If you guys are obviously looking for a new project, this is it. This is the one. I definitely highly encourage you guys to do this. So yeah, show me your guys' project. I mean, dang, look at those colors, man. They're just standing out so well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys if you stayed this long. Once again, feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be starting to post some new content here soon. I have some fun projects lined up in the future. And if you guys want to see anything specific, just comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see. And have a wonderful day, y'all. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Thank you. See you next time.